Hey guys, what is going on? So today's video is going to be a handbag unboxing, and I'm super excited to see this bag. I have seen reviews of this bag, but I haven't seen any in this particular color, so I'm super excited to see it in person. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. Okay guys, so I went ahead and took the liberty of opening up the box. So it just comes in this like huge box that the bag doesn't even take up hardly any space in. And I purchased this bag from Nordstrom's. Okay guys, so here is the bag, and I'm not sure if you can kind of see what color this bag is already, but let's go ahead and finish opening it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the packaging. Okay, are you guys ready to see what I got? Ta-da! It is the Marc Jacobs Pillow Bag in the color lime. And so it just looks like this. This is lambskin leather, but like a crinkly lambskin leather. It does look a little bit more on the yellow side than lime, but I mean, it kind of does. But it definitely probably coming out more yellow. Let's open it up. Just has 2 snap closure, and then it's fabric lined. Let's take that out. It just comes with this shoulder strap, which has black leather woven throughout. And it also comes with an additional leather strap so that you can wear it crossbody. So the handbag is just one big compartment. It has a zip compartment at the very back. And then when you turn the bag around, it has a magnetic slip pocket as well that can fit your phone. And then it has the Marc Jacobs leather tag right here. Like, this bag is like so like pillowy soft. Like, it's such a unique bag, and like this lambskin on here is like such a unique feel to the lambskin. And so that's just the view of the bag. Here's the bottom of the bag. So let's go ahead really quickly and see what can fit inside of this bag. I've been carrying the Kurt Geiger Kensington tweed bag. So we're gonna see if what fits in here can fit in here. Well, currently at the moment in my Kensington bag, I had my full-size LV wallet, my Goyard, I believe this is the Senate pouch, small size, a Coach key holder, I'm just gonna slide that in there, AirPod, and my phone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let's see if I can fit this inside. And yes, I can. I did a little bit of reorganizing, so I'm just seeing if it can all fit like inside. I probably wouldn't put my phone like inside the bag. I probably would put it in the back, but let's go ahead and see if it will snap. And it will snap closed, and it doesn't look too bulky or anything. All of those items so far fits really well. Okay, so let me put my keys in there too, so my keys are pretty full and big because I have hand sanitizers, pepper spray, my car key, and a personal alarm on here. So let's see if that will fit. Here's what it looks like with my keys in there. I went ahead and took my cell phone out, and I'm just going to put it in the slip back pocket in back. And it does fit in there. And again, I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And so it snaps. And this is what it looks like. It still looks good, but I think because this bag is supposed to be like, you know, nice and pillowy, it doesn't look like overstuffed or anything. But keep in mind that I probably, with this bag, I probably wouldn't carry a full-size wallet, even though you can. I mean, it fits in there fine, but if you wanted a little bit more space, you probably wouldn't want to carry a full-size wallet, or maybe a smaller wallet or a card holder instead. Okay, so I just realized I forgot to unwrap the strap for you guys so you can get a better look at the strap. So it just looks like this, and then it has like this little kind of button closure on it. And then I believe it just hooks on the bag like by this D-ring that's right here. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this combination with the black and then the lime color, but it actually looks really good. And I don't have any bags this color in my collection. I really like the way it feels, like how pillowy soft it feels. I like how like the crinkleness of this lambskin leather, it's like very unique. A very unique feel to the lambskin. I really like it. Well guys, that is it for today's unboxing video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me on Instagram at @dphasesofnika. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.